Hi everyone, it's Magda from Foyr, and today's video will be about some of our advanced design techniques. I will show you how to use punch tool and guidelines. Let's start with the punch tool. The punch tool will help you to create openings and cavities for some of the objects. For example, if you want to install a kitchen sink on your kitchen cabinets, you go to Catalog, choose the sink that you want to use. Now we can resize it. And now you can see that the punch tool is available to use with this product. If it's available, it will be shown in the top center of your screen. You click on punch, and now the cavity for your sink is created. You can use the punch tool in 2D as well as in 3D. I will show you another example. Let's say we want to put a niche into our wall. The niche will automatically snap into the wall. But if we want to resize it and move it, then you will notice that the punch tool is available again and it's shown in the top center of your screen. So now when you resize to the niche, then you can use the punch tool and your niche is fully visible. The other technique that you can find useful is the guidelines. The guidelines will help you place objects in specific positions. For example, if you need to place doors or window in a specific positions, you can measure everything out with your guidelines. You click on the ruler, which is a guideline tool, and now depends if you want to draw on the ceiling, on the floor, or on the wall, then you need to place your guidelines on a specific surface. Let's say that we want to draw on our wall, as we need to place these doors into specific distance from the corner of the wall. So we will start with the corner. As you can see, it will highlight in blue. And now you can see this square. Wherever you will move it, it will change the color. You need to bear in mind that it needs to be flat on the surface where you will be drawing your guidelines. So if I want to draw on this wall, then it needs to be flat on this wall. But we will be drawing on the wall on the right hand side, so it needs to be flat on this wall. You click and now you drag it and you can type in specific measurements. Now when you click on enter, you will see that the line is created. Now when you want to move your door will snap into this line. If you want to remove your guidelines, you go to the guideline tool, you click on the trim tool in the top center of your screen, and you simply trim it. I will show you how you can use guidelines to space your art evenly on the wall. Again, we click on the guidelines tool and we will start from the corner of our wall. If you want to remove your guidelines, you click on the guideline tool, go to the trim tool, and you can simply trim them. Hope that was helpful. Happy designing!